Captain Mark Eby from Grand Forks Air Force Base, North Dakota. We brought in a B-1B Lancer this weekend to attend the Barnes Municipal Air Show. And the B-1 in itself is the Air Force's newer strategic bomber. In light of the B-2 coming online and its research and development, we're trying to showcase the B-1 some more to the American public, give them the opportunity to see what the Air Force is utilizing now to the top line type aircraft. Looking at the B-1, we have a blended wing design on the aircraft. If you look at the wing glove area, this is portion of the aircraft that has been designed to reduce airflow disturbances or drag and provide us with better fuel economy and better speed down a low altitude regime. It also helps reduce the radar cross-section of the airplane by not presenting any right angles for the aircraft to present back to any ground-based radar. This is one of the initial stealth designs development, semi-stealth developments tested out. The B-1 also for payload capacity has been a marked improvement over the B-52, providing us with capability of carrying 28 nuclear weapons internally, or in the conventional scenario carrying 84 500-pound Mark 82s, all internal. Looking at the interior of a B-1, you can see that there's a lot of technology that's 1960s and 70s, used in F-111s and XB-70 type aircraft. We have the ribbon gauges across the front there for the engine instruments and ribbons for the airspeed and altimeter and airspeed indicators. We have a little computer-generated artificial sky and horizon here that comes up, and we use that to maintain straight and level flight. We have a fuel management system that handles all the fuel and handles 200,000 pounds of fuel on the flight and automatically distributes it and burns it accordingly to the sequence needed for a proper CG. We have a CG indicator, a center of gravity indicator, which tells us what our center of gravity is, which is important in a variable sweep wing airplane for maintaining flight. You can see on both sides too that the B-1 has a stick, like a fighter type aircraft, and flies like really flies like one, and has throttles on both sides, one in the center and one over to the side here for each pilot. So it really feels like a single seater can get in here and have the same type of habit patterns already set up for him that he normally has. We have electrical power. We've got all of our lighting controls. You see it's a very intensive switchology type aircraft, but it's really relatively simple once you gain the required training to perform all the in-flight tasks required of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, maximum performance climb out of the B-1B bomber.
The B-1 did not participate in Desert Storm as per se directly with the operation. We were tasked with the duty of sitting strategic nuclear alert to maintain the security of the country through deterrence. We had friends from other airplanes, B-52s and the like, that did get to attend, and our hearts went out with them. It was tough to be able to sit here stateside, wanting to be over there to be with them, to work and fly with them. But we still had a necessary role to provide strategic defense here in the United States.
Taxiing now in front of the crowd is the B-1B bomber. It's beautiful, elegant, and also very lethal.